In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger call ended problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple and easy. Scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger right here and click on it like this. Click on force stop and then go to the storage right here. Click on clear cache and clear data like this. Go back, and now all what you want to do next is very simple. Just click on force stop here and then go to the data usage. As you can see, make sure to enable all these options, and after that go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.